Eastern Tabletop are well recognized for their high-quality buffet equipment. They adapt brilliantly to the changing needs of hotels and are now partnering with EcoBurner to make buffets more sustainable. EcoBurner bring with them a breakthrough in chafing dish technology. Waterless chafing dishes are now available, meaning hotels across America can save time, energy, and water while making buffets easier and safer to operate. Staff no longer need to handle hot water, and food stays crispier as there's no steam from water. Buffets can now be powered by EcoBurner, which is a refillable burner that uses zero waste, zero water, and 75% less carbon than gel or wick-type burners. Eastern customers can continue to use the chafing dishes and coffee urns they know and love, or opt for the waterless EcoServe range of chafing dishes. Both will bring the sustainable and operational benefits from using the EcoBurner. Warming tiles are also available to complement your customized hub or Zaz buffet system from Eastern Tabletop. Now you can have truly portable buffets perfect for outdoor dining, as EcoBurner is completely windproof, waterless, and no electricity or cables are needed. Compatible with Eastern Tabletop products, now is your opportunity to go green with Eastern, powered by EcoBurner.